What's on top?
Oh, sorry, that's going inside that box.
Yeah.
Upside
So tell me
down.
what you're going to do right from the beginning. Take all of that.
Get the lid off this, and put them to one side.
Yeah.
Put that on top.
Yeah, crown board first though.
Yeah.
So crown board off as well.
Okay.
That on top.
And then invert that and put
Yeah.
that inside.
Then what? Eek. We're using this as an eek to make space because you won't be able to put the crown board on the roof on. Yeah?
Okay.
One more time from the top.
Taking this off and the crown board.
Yeah.
Putting that on.
Yeah.
Inverting that and putting that inside.
Right on the middle of the brood.
Then putting that on top and then putting the roof back on.
Crown board and then the roof.
Okay.
Okay. You might have to smoke them down when you take this off. Okay? Smoker all ready and functioning properly. Plenty of smoke coming out. Give it a good old pump.
So that one's going on.
A wasp? Oh no.
Can I get that a
That's
bit?
what you want them to draw out.
Can I get that a bit nearer?
Yeah, of course you can. Put it in here.
I thought this was going over there. So
Yeah, that's okay. No problem. Can I just hold it smoking?
We're going to have some angry little bees here. I'm going to cool them off. Vaucule Fayard, il y a des vides en papillon. Vaucule, là-bas, va loin. Va loin. C'est bien.
There's a lot of bees in here.
You should look for the queen
Yeah, you should look for the queen.
on the underside of the crown.
But we're not going through it,
No,
but you should
just
look for the
check.
queen. Yeah. You don't need to shake it.
Diamond ways.
Yeah, like a diamond.
Way. Okay.
They'll stack on top like that.
And then this on top.
Yep.
Vaucule
Do it the
Fayard.
same way.
Ni ma petite, vaucule.
Invert it, let it dribble a bit first. Move it around a bit.
take him away because if they get angry, just take him back a bit. Do you think?
Oh, she'll move, don't worry. Oh, yeah. She knows bees. Oh, don't worry.
Right, just before you do that, okay, the spaces at this end.
I'm amazed that liquid isn't running through.
Okay. So they're lined up.
Yeah. Really, it desperate. Both of these colonies, both top and bottom, need that. What in here?
The space.
Dummy.
Dummy.
Yep. Okay.
And get this one on.
Yep.
So presumably that'll be full of wax at that end
Again.
Yeah.
again.
Have you put that the right way, on the right way?
No. And this one's going back on.
Yep.
Do you always put the crown board underneath the roof?
On that card.
Yeah. That's okay. Because they can go in. They can go in that hole.
Right, okay.
They can go back down that hole. You see.
Okay. Is there a right way and a wrong way for this?
No.
Do we not have to write on the card?
You should write. Yeah. Fair comment.
No.
Okay. What we should write is. You know, keep me right. So what am I going to write on here?
Ça va, ma petite chienne. Eh oui, ma féfé. Et tu restes là-bas, toi.
Yeah. Unwired foundation.
Ma petite chienne. Ma féfé. Attention, je suis occupée. Eh
Check
oui.
it in a week. Okay, they'll have pulled that down.
Right,
Okay, and then you'll refill it.
right, okay.
Okay.
In a week, they'll have, how many? 3 kilos we've got in there.
Yeah.
What a greedy little bunch.
Carded and fed.
Well, it's not a super, is it?
It's a fruit box.
Yeah. Can somebody put their put your ear to the box, folks?
Why is that?
Noise.
Yeah.
Is that
Food.
they're
Get
telling
up
everybody?
here.
Yeah. And is that why they're all on the
Party.
Hey.
Bottoms in the end.
Why have they got the bottoms in the air?
yeah and the bottoms in there?
And what are they fanning?
Smell pheromones.
Pheromone.
To tell everybody.
What's this
there's
gland
food.
called?
Ooh, she's
Nasanol.
doing it. Bottoms up.
Okay.
Nazareth.
Party time. Hey.
Look at those bottoms up.
Okay.
That's a good sign.
here.
Yeah.
Bottoms up and fanning.
That's how it is. The roof going back on now.
That's excitement, eh? They're excited with that food. Ooh, Oh, you naughty girl. She
Little.
Okay.
She did a lot
You've
of-
down-fed a colony of bees.
Bonjour. C'est pas pour toi. Eh oui.
What does it need in here? Still,
C'est bien.
needs two things.
It needs
Varroa treatment.
Varroa treatment.
That's one thing. The second thing, what's missing at this end?
The queen.
Two dummy boards.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm not worried about the queen excluder. I want her up here. Okay, just feed her like mad. Okay, you're looking confused.
No, I'm just trying to get my head around it.
Yeah. So here we've got the original colony. Okay, here we've got the original colony peeps. Okay, what have we got in here? New foundation. Okay, but it's still, both these boxes at this side require a dummy board. Otherwise we're going to get the same problem we saw last time round. We've put in another brood box as an eek, we've fed it, we've noted on it. In a week's time, okay, come back, that syrup tub will be empty.
Oh, sweet.
Okay. Would we normally feed at this time of the day?